85 billion tons. That's the amount of paperwork that insurance processes every year. That's like 150 of these convention centers filled with paperwork from top to bottom. That's ridiculous amounts of information, and most of it is locked in faxes, handwritten notes, physician statements, faxes, and other types of data that's impossible to process. And human eye is not designed to process that much information. So the biggest industry in the world, insurance, is left to do most of its processes manually. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Natasha Alexeyeva, and I'm founder and CEO of Friendly. I started Friendly after working in the industry for over 15 years. I ran teams at DARPA, Kaiser Permanente Innovation Hubs, Nielsen, Visa, Microsoft, Amazon. So I had a wealth of experience, and I started Friendly with a grant from Stanford University in California Entrepreneurship Program. Our Chief Technology Officer is also a veteran in the Valley with over 25 years of experience. Last year, he won Google Brain competition, which named him top 5 AI experts in the world. But most importantly, I have a very fast-growing team of 15 data scientists and software engineers who are solving the most interesting, the most challenging problems in the insurance sector. We started in 2016 with a consulting business. We had this idea that will help secure our clients their personally identifiable data in the cloud. We thought, well, we'll bring all the data in the cloud, and then we can do what we do best on it. We'll run machine learning algorithms. By 2017, we realized that our plan had a big problem. This data was not in analyzable format. Most of it was in handwritten form, a lot of it were in faxes, some of it was in Excel, and machine learning does not work on this data. So we started working with one of our partners. We iterated, collaborated with a very large insurer who became our co-investing co-developer. And by the end of 2018, we released our beta version. And that version is now used by 6 major insurance organizations. And so that's how Friendly was born. Our purpose in life is to digitize complex text that's usually in insurance paperwork. Our claim to fame is not to just digitize paperwork, but also process handwritten notes, and even physicians' handwritten notes. I'm going to walk you through 4 use cases that we built with our partners. So here's one. This is the most simple one. We take a PDF file or any other image that you have, whatever you have. We take this and we transfer it to beautiful structured format that's ready for the analysis. Our algorithms know not to just digitize a blob of text, but also pair first name with Joseph and date of birth, April 29th, and so forth. Here's the second use case. This is something that we co-developed with a large life insurer. This is an example of us processing voluntary benefits, an accident product. Accident products are usually pretty messy. They will have attending physician statements. They will have insured statement in writing. So we take all this information, we transfer it to digital format, and then we can automatically say if a claim is in good order or not. If it's not a good order, we'll tell you, oh, signature is missing on page 2. Or we'll tell you, the accident occurred prior to the effective coverage date. So all these decisions that are normally taking people 48 hours, we can do that in about 4 minutes. Here's a third use case in stop loss. In stop loss, they receive tons and tons of information, 8 years of medical history. And so underwriters have to go through all this data and basically handpick data that's necessary for the decision making. So what we do is we digitize, clean it up, and then we extract all the important information and present it in a very digestible format. Underwriters can then ask, well, give me all ICD codes for patients that are over $50,000 for 2015. That was not possible before. And that's the final use case. That's the example of us digitizing handwriting. And you can see here that not only do we digitize handwriting, we also preserve the structures of complex elements on a page, like a medical table. Here we'll extract all the dates, all ICD codes, procedure descriptions, and we'll present a format that's very easy to be analyzed now. I thank you very much for your attention. Please, I'm sure you can all relate to this problem, so please come find me. I'll be one of very few women in technology and insurance, and to help you further, I'll have this yellow jacket. Thank you very much.